So I've been seeing this thing on TikTok and it looks so good. And it's like crazy that people will look at the African diaspora and be like, well, like Caribbean people, we eat different than like Southern Americans. And I'm like, no, we eat the same thing. We just eat them differently. It's called beans and rice. And again, I could be saying it wrong. It could be in different regions. They have a different name for it. But it's pretty much like turkey, smoked turkey wings or legs that they like stew down it with beans. And I'm like, that's stew peas. Like that's what we eat in Jamaica. But again, they use turkey. And I actually know some Jamaicans that do stew peas with turkey. I don't know, I'm assuming it is smoked turkey. So it is very similar. I've seen a lot of red beans in some recipes and I've seen some pinto beans in some recipes. People forget that like, yes, we grew up in the US, but we grew up with like Jamaican parents. So your concept of cuisine can either be like very Jamaican or it can be very American. And like in my household, it was very Jamaican. So my mother, I remember we were like, yo, we want hamburger helper. And my mother was like, okay, I can make that. And I was like, no, just buy the hamburger helper. And then she bought it and we were like, oh, okay. Yeah, we prefer your version. So like, that's the thing. It's the way we season things and stuff like that. It still kind of comes out very Jamaican. But no matter how far from home we are, our lineage is, we still eat so many things from like back home. It's like, yo, it's our ancestors. They made a way to continue these recipes, no matter how far we are. So I thought that was really cool. So I want to try it out. Comment below and tell me like, what did I do? Did it look the same? Did it not look the same? I'm very like anxious when it comes to like people watching my food and commenting and stuff like that. But hey, I am learning. So if you know Jamaican stew peas and you want to try out this like American version of it, so let's go.